Hello there, you are welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I drafted this shoulder dart bustier blouse. If this sounds like what you are interested in, kindly watch till the end. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I already have my pattern paper folded into two. I have my bust point, under bust and my half length lines drawn already. So this is me marking my shoulder measurement. I came down by 1 inch for shoulder slope and I also marked my armhole measurement. So this line I'm drawing, this horizontal line, will serve as my chest line and this vertical one is my armhole line. This vertical line, I will divide it by 2 to get the midpoint and I will come in by half an inch, okay? And for the chest line, the horizontal one, I will mark my round bust measurement divided by 4 there so that I can get my armhole curve. For my neck width, I made use of 4 inches and the neck depth, I came down by 5 inches and it totally depends on you, okay? You can choose any neck design you want. So after drawing that, I will just be drawing my shoulder slope, just as you can see. Then the next thing is to get my nipple to nipple measurement, which is about 4 inches, and I will just be drawing a straight line to connect all the points. I divided my shoulder slope by 2 and I just connected it to the nipple to nipple measurement line. Hope I'm right. So I marked 1.5 inches on that side, on the right side, and 1 inch on the other side. And this also depends on the size of your bust, okay? And I'll just be drawing the straight lines just as you see me do. I also created my curve, that is the bust curve. I don't know if I'm right. Then I would come out by 1 inch on both sides of the shoulder dart, okay? And I will just connect it to the curve, as you can see. So it's time to transfer the dart, okay? I will just transfer it right there because if you don't do that, your cloth will be looking smaller, the shoulder will be looking smaller. So this is very, very important, okay? Then I'm going to get a new armhole curve. Hope you are understanding so far. Before now, I used to dread this shoulder dart blouse, but now it's now like a piece of cake. So I will just connect it like that. The next thing I went ahead to do was to mark my horizontal measurements, okay? Then you will be adding the darts that you took out, very important, before you add your extra seam allowance. So for those parts, I think everything became maybe 2.5 inches. Then I added about 3 to 4 inches seam allowance. Besides, I'm working on a pattern paper, so you can decide to increase the width on your fabric. That is totally up to you. It's now time to connect all the points. Can you see how easy this looks? I came down by 1 inch to create the side seam bust dart, and it's now time to cut out. So when cutting out, kindly note the parts that are not needed, okay? You see this part I'm marking with X, they are not needed. So after cutting, you should have like 3 pieces, the center front and the side front, okay? For the back panel or the back pattern drafting, it's very easy simply because you don't have a bust at the back. So you will just draft it straight away and you are good to go. Note when cutting the side seam bust that it is necessary or it is important you do this because it's going to change or affect the shape of the pattern drafting. So after pinning it down this way, you reshape on it and cut it out. So like I said before, you are going to have 3 pieces. For the back, I just did basically the same thing, except that you won't be creating any form of a breast curve or something. I already have my lines drawn, the bust point, the under bust and the half length. And this is me just folding about 1.5 inches to the back. That is for the zipper. Okay, that's zipper allowance. And another thing I did was that I reduced the full length of this back part by 1 inch. You may want to know why I did that. There is no bust at the back. If you don't do it that way, most times the back is usually longer than the front. Though most people don't do it, but I just felt like doing it. If you see, I have like 3 lines below. One is just to like take off 1 inch from the full length of the blouse, so that at the end of the day it will be equal with that of the front. So what I'm doing right now is basically what I did for the front piece. I created my armhole, but this time around, this armhole, you won't be coming in by 1/2 inch. You can see what I did there. I just went ahead to draw the curve because it's the back armhole. And I'll be marking my nipple to nipple measurement, just as you can see. Okay, I will take out 1/2 inch on both sides. This time around, we are not doing 1.5 and 1. No, it's just half. That is fine. And of course, you will divide your shoulder slope by 2 and connect it to that nipple to nipple measurement line, and you will transfer your measurement, your horizontal measurement. Kindly note, when you are marking your horizontal measurement, you don't have so much to add before adding your seam allowance, because we only just took out 1 inch for the dart, right? So you will just transfer your horizontal measurement and add your necessary seam allowance. If you see, the paper I use for the back is not as much as that of the front, because you don't need so much for the back. Then for the neck depth, I came down by 1 inch, and of course you will maintain the same neck width. This is the zipper allowance. And there's something I usually do is to take out the zip bulge. If you don't want your cloth to be having bulge at the back, there's need for you to do this. You just take out 1/2 inch and connect it to wherever it stops at the top, and you take it out, you cut it out. That will take care of the zip bulge. So I'm cutting out now. I'm going to have 4 pieces. The reason is 4 is because there is a zipper in the middle, 2 for one side, 2 for the other side. We are done drafting the back part of a shoulder dart bustier blouse. Hope this is making sense. Because I don't want this video to be too long, I will not be showing you the sewing process, but of course I will show you how the bustier looks for now. And in my next video, I'll be showing you how I padded it. I didn't do it the regular way. Everybody has different ways of padding a bustier, but I just did something that was very easy for me. And in case you don't know, I made this blouse just like in less than 24 hours before wearing it, because I needed to wear it to a place, but I just had to quickly do it, and trust me, it came out nice. So this is the back part of this bustier. You can see there are 4 pieces, and then here I'd already cut out the fabric and the lining for the bustier. And the next thing is to pad it, the front part, to pad it. I didn't do so much. I didn't go through all the stress. I used the already made breast cup to do it because I don't like stress. So this is what it's looking like for now, and in my next video I will show you how I achieved it. So can you see how neat this is looking? It's looking very good. And I will also show you the back, how it is looking. In my next video, I will show you how I came up with the padding. Very easy and straightforward. So if you are like me that don't like stress, please watch out for the next video and you see how you be padding your bustier. Then you won't have any phobia for bustier anymore. So this is the back piece. Like I said, it's looking very good for now. And thanks so much for watching. And if you are considering if you should subscribe, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Bye.